Nowadays, there are multiple ways you can publish a book. First, you'll want to make sure your book is ready to be published. Get feedback from other people and revise your book as much as possible so it feels polished and ready to go. When it's finished, you have a few options. The first option is to self-publish your book. You can use a print-on-demand service, which will print your book when someone purchases it and takes a cut of the profit. Or you can sell your book as an ebook online through platforms like Kindle. If you decide to self-publish, you'll need to design your own book cover and format the inside of the book yourself. You can also hire freelancers with more design experience to help you. Your second option is to publish your book through a publisher with the help of a literary agent. To get an agent, write query letters to agents that work in your genre. A query letter should include a synopsis of your book, why you want to work with that agent, and information about you, the author. If an agent likes your query letter, they'll request a copy of your book. If they like it, they may offer to represent you. Once you have an agent, they'll help you submit your book to publishers. If a publishing house likes your book and you end up signing a deal with them, they'll publish your book for you. Your third option is to try submitting your book to publishing houses without the help of an agent. Most publishers only accept books from literary agents, but there are some that will take direct submissions. Find one of those publishers and write them a query letter. If they're interested, they'll request a copy of your book, and they may decide to sign with you and publish it.